Hi everyone, this video will explore the new features in Google Classroom for fall 2018. One of the main new features is the classwork section. Keep in mind that this will not show up in any of your existing Google Classrooms, just in the newly created ones. As you can see in this existing classroom I made last year, you'll only have two areas, stream and people, not the new classwork section. I believe there's a way to add the classwork section in these older Google Classrooms, but we'll explore that at a different time. So what I'm going to do now is return to my classes and create a new class. So I'll click on this plus at the top right, and I'll have two options, join class or create. I'll click create. Here, you'll add information about your Google Classroom. The class name is required, but the class section and subject are optional. So this is the new Google Classroom. As you can see, you have a new classwork section. But first, let's talk about the stream. And one of the biggest changes is how you add work to your stream. In the past, you just click on this plus at the lower right, but now when you hover your mouse over it, you'll only have two options, create an announcement or reuse a post. If you want to create an assignment, you'll have to do that in the new classwork section. So when I click on that, I'll see that there's a create button. When I click on this, here are my options for the various posts that I can create. I can also create a topic. So I'm going to first create a question. But now I'll just ask. So I've posted my question, it's in my classwork, and as you can see, if I click on the stream, you'll see it there as well. I'm going to go back to classwork, and I'm going to add another post. I'll make this one an assignment. Just assign that. Something I really love about the classwork section is how Google re-envisioned how topics work. Before, topics really was only a way to tag certain posts with keywords. Now, topics can be used to organize classwork into modules or units. So if I click create, I'm going to create a topic. So here you can add various things, a different name of a module or unit or even time. Here I'm just going to call this week 1. And I'm going to create another topic called week 2. Now you can add specific posts to each topic. You can do this by hovering your mouse over the post and clicking on these three dots and clicking edit. Then you go straight to the topic, and the ones I created will show up. So you choose the appropriate topic. Then it'll magically move that post and file it under that appropriate topic. I'll do the same with this one. So I'm going to edit this post, and let's say I want my student to do this during week 2. I'll click save. Now if I go to the stream, they're not organized. This is everything that's happening in your Google Classroom. But if I go to classwork, here I can organize it. One of the biggest requests in Google Classroom was for a better way to organize your posts, and classwork with the newly designed topics definitely helps with this. Another new feature is in the class settings section, which you can access by clicking on this gear icon. Here, you can edit things like the class name, add a description, or even where this class meets. Most importantly, you have information regarding your class code. Here, you have an option to display it, make it really big. This comes in handy if your computer is connected to interactive whiteboard or something similar. In regards to the stream, you have options on students posting and commenting. They can only comment, or teachers can post or comment. You can show deleted items, only teachers can view this, and you can have the option of enabling guardian summaries, and there's even an example of that if you click on this. The people page is also new for 2018. Here, you can interact with the people in your class, be it teachers or students. So if you have another teacher working with you in this class, you can invite them in this page, in this people page. you would click on this icon here and type in the teacher's name and make sure that they're included in the school domain. So you can type in one or more teachers and invite them to be teachers in your class here. And also with students, if you want to manually input students in your classroom versus having them join with the class code, you can click on this icon here and you type in your student's name. And then you would invite them that way. Also, if you click on this box next to your student, you have your actions here where you can email them, remove them from the class, or mute them, as well as inviting a guardian. So those are the new features of Google Classroom. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section. I will be making more videos that will explore Google Classroom in depth. Thank you.